Today, we're diving into the world of audio accessories with the ABLET replacement audio cable designed for Bose QC25, QC35, QC35-2, Quiet Comfort 25, and 35 headphones. This cable is not just your ordinary replacement. It's packed with features that can elevate your listening and gaming experiences. Let's start with the 3-button remote control, a standout feature for Android users. With volume control, track skipping, and call answering capabilities, it brings convenience to your fingertips. The inline microphone ensures clear communication during online chats, gaming sessions, and phone calls, making it a versatile accessory. The 3.5mm to 2.5mm male jack and 4 feet 1.2 length make it compatible with various devices. Gamers will appreciate its seamless integration with PS4 and Xbox One controllers, ensuring a hassle-free gaming experience. The cable's premium construction is evident in its tangle-free nylon braided outer layer and oxygen-free copper wire inside, guaranteeing durability and maintaining audio quality. For Android phone users, the compatibility list includes Samsung Galaxy, Sony, Xiaomi, Huawei, and more. On the headphone front, it's tailored for Bose QC25, QC35, QC35-2, Quiet Comfort 25, 35, Noise Cancelling 700, QC45, and Quiet Comfort 45 models with its 2.5mm jack. In conclusion, the ABLET replacement audio cable is a reliable and feature-rich accessory that caters to both gamers and music enthusiasts. Its build quality, versatile remote control, and broad device compatibility make it a valuable addition to your audio setup. If you're looking to upgrade your headphone experience, this cable might just be the missing piece you've been searching for. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.